Yes, let's continue with question number 29 of the WAEC 2019 physics past question. Which of the following device is used for storing electric charges? A. Transformer, B. Ammeter, C. Potentiometer, D. Capacitor. So we're going to state the functions of these various electrical devices so that we can pick out the one that is used in storing charges. Now, a transformer is a device used in changing the size of an AC voltage. It increases or decreases the EMF of an alternating current. So this one is used to either increase or decrease EMF or voltage of an AC current or AC voltage. So that's what a transformer does. Now, what is an ammeter? Or let's get to potentiometer first. What does a potentiometer do? A potentiometer is a device used to precisely measure potential difference. So use this to measure potential difference. That's what you use this to do. It is used to compare EMF of a cell. You can also use it to compare EMF of cells. So that's what you use that for. Now, an ammeter is a device used to measure the amount of current flowing in a circuit. So use an ammeter to measure the amount of current flowing in a circuit. That's what we use an ammeter for. And finally, a capacitor is a device used in storing electric charges. So from there you can easily see that D is the right option, capacitor. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share our videos. Drop any comments if you have one.